guys, hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Hope everybody tuned in yesterday and watched me live with John Israel. Hope everybody enjoyed that. I definitely enjoyed it. Look forward to doing that again soon. But anyway, guys, we're back this week. Doing a lot of fall maintenances right now, but they slipped me a no heat call in here. So we're going to go ahead out and check on this no heat call. One of my first ones of the season, actually. Ain't had too many yet, but we're going to go check this out. Bring y'all along, see what we find. Y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, we are here. I'm here at my thermostat. Got it on heat mode. Let's bump it up above that temperature. See what it does. I don't hear anything happening, so let's go find the air handler or furnace. Alright guys, so I walked around back, thinking it was a crawl space. And look at here, it's just laying up under the porch. No crawl space or nothing. Let's get over there and take a look. Alright y'all, so we have a Goodman 80% gas furnace. And I have nothing going on with it, so let's pop it open and see why. Alright, so we have a flash code. Let's see what it is. One, two, three. So let's grab our door and look for a code sheet. Hopefully. Alright guys, so I looked it up. It is a pressure switch issue, which is right over here. So I'm going to reset it here and for it to come back on and see what it does and see if we're going to have a pressure switch issue, something with the flue pipe, or maybe this inducer motor. So let me pull this tape job off somebody done. Got a good spot for my clip. I'll tell you what. Might work a little better. Oh, I'm waiting on the thermostat. Let's, I forgot it's on this touch screen, guys. Let's just go ahead and let's just jump it. Ain't gotta wait on that thermostat. All right, so it instantly started flashing, and that inducer motor should have came right on. So looks like we might have an inducer motor problem, guys, right over here. So let's test for that. All right, guys, I got my power killed. First thing I want to do is this little black box right here. This is actually a capacitor for this motor. So I'm going to pull these leads off and check this capacitor and see what it's reading. Some of them have capacitors, some of them don't. Microfarads. Yep, the capacitor's good. And this motor, it's pretty hot to touch. So it's looking like it's going to be the motor. Let's just check our incoming voltage and might hook the megometer up to it and check it as well. So let's do that. All right, y'all, got my meter hooked up here, got my leads going to my inducer motor from the board. Got it jumped out, ready to go. So let's fire it up and see what kind of readings we get going to this motor. $125. So we have good, correct voltage. We're gonna have to have a new inducer motor. So let's get some information off this thing, and I'll let y'all know what I got to do here. All right, guys. So I finished that one up, and like you saw, bad induced draft motor. System is not under warranty. It was never registered. So that's unfortunate for the client. And another unfortunate factor we got to deal with, it's going to be roughly a month before I can get that inducer motor. So we gave him the option of waiting a month and the price for the motor and the replacement. And we gave him the option to replace the furnace. And this week to replace the furnace, you know, obviously more expensive, but would have got his warranties back. And he declined the furnace, so he's going to tough it out for a month, possibly, for that inducer fan motor. So we're just gonna wait around, and whenever I get it, there'll be a part 2. So all right, guys, thank y'all for watching. We'll see y'all in the next video.